You heard that shit, right?
Yeah.
The fucking light turned green, and because I didn't move within 2 seconds, it's fucking alerted me. Hey, light's green.
The car alerts you when there's a fucking green light?
Mm-hmm.
What the
It
fuck?
alerts me if the light's green, if I have my turn signal on for too long, you know, while I'm still moving.
Yeah.
If the car in front of me starts moving and I don't move, when I'm backing up, if there's a pedestrian or a car that's crossing as I'm backing up, it'll warn me and they'll actually stop. What else?
Damn, that shit do got a lot of fucking technology.
Yeah, the lane keep assist, lane trace assist. So in other words, I can literally put this shit in autopilot, kinda, and it'll fucking maintain the lanes for me. Cruise control, radar cruise control, with distance control, forward collision warning and braking, lane safety warning.
They were like, yo, people drive so bad, we gotta make the cars do everything for them.
Bro, Luana hates it. Like, when she was using it when I was on standby, I had to turn off the fucking the lane safety.
I don't like that brake shit. I turn that shit off. I can't stand that shit.
If I'm getting records in traffic, then no, that doesn't serve a purpose. Because all it's gonna take is that it sees me speeding up towards the car in front of me. Me knowing that I got like a little ounce of space for me to cut through, it's gonna break because it thinks I'm not fucking paying attention to the fact there's a car in front of me. Yeah, it's gonna stop. I'm thinking now, oh shit, you know, he's about to get into an accident. When you're running. When you're out, it's like, now, motherfucker, I'm about to cut between.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
These 2 cars. Let me, bitch, but he won't. Oh shit, is that fuck? I think it is behind me. Yep, it is. Oh shit! Oh damn it! I'm getting pulled over right now, for real.
What the fuck were you doing?
I think that's fucking with me, bro. I think it is. I think it's him fucking with me. Stay on the phone. Stay on the phone. I think that's him for real. Fucking with me. Oh, there's 2 of them. Oh shit.
What the fuck were you doing? Speeding?
Nigga, I just turned and drove. What the fuck, bro? What did I do for real? I'm not even joking right now. I literally got stopped.
Oh man.
I don't want to know what the hell I did just now. Alright, he didn't get out of the car yet. What the fuck? Oh no, it's not somebody else. Damn. I thought it was fucking with me. Alright.
Damn, so you really got pulled over, bro.
Yeah, let me call you back, bro.
Alright.
What's going on, man? Deputy Dorsey with the Osceola County Sheriff's Office. So, 2 reasons why I pulled you over. 1, failure to yield to oncoming traffic, because we came at the same time.
Okay.
Right? So that's why I pulled you over. And 2, do you know the laws for the tents in the state of Florida? Because your windows are extremely, well, your windows are just too damn dark.
Yeah, I know.
You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
So that's the reason why I pulled you over, brother. You have your license and registration on you?
Yes, I do. 2 things I want to let you know. I do have dash cams, and I do have a firearm.
You're good. You have every right to have your firearm.
Okay, I just want to let you know before we
proceed. It's within your rights, as long as you're not a convicted felon.
No, sir.
All right.
And
you're good.
Okay. Registration.
How long you had the car for?
I bought it in 2022, brand new.
2022?
Yes, sir.
Why the windows so damn dark?
I like my privacy and it's hot as fuck. I'm just be real with you.
Huh?
I like my privacy and it's hot as fuck in Florida. I'm just be real with you. I'm just keep running with you.
I'm gonna let you know how much it is. The temps. I'm not gonna cite you for it.
Okay.
All right. But just know, in the state of Florida, if you do meet a deputy that's very petty, they can give you a ticket for the windshield, because it's past the AS1 line. Mm-hmm. This door, that door, that door, that door.
Okay.
And it is
the back window.
As well as that too.
Okay.
If they really want to be petty, and it's completely legal.
Okay.
But I'm not gonna do that.
All right.
All right. But I'll let you know the tent. Thanks.
Okay.
Give me a minute.
All right. Damn. supposed to be 5. It's even darker than that.
This one's 5.
Okay.
And that's 5, right? So in the state of Florida,
Sorry.
this front window would need to be 28% or more,
Okay.
right? And then in the back would need to be 15% or more. But like I said, I'm not gonna be a dick, right? I'm not trying to impose fines on you. I just don't want nobody crashing into me. And I don't want you to have a bad day. It's a nice car. Right?
Thank you.
So you're good, brother.
I appreciate it, man.
All right, man. Take care.
I know it's kind of. I thought you were my friend fucking with me.
Oh. He's talking about.
I thought it was him. Like this man fucking with me right now.
The traffic stop in the morning that helped us when we're taking off the tag. Opposite rotation. Yeah. The Hispanic. He said he thought
the fucking dude with the damn Drake haircut.
Nah, you good, brother.
All right, man. Thank you, guys.
No problem, man. Take care.
You as well. Hey, yo, that was funny. That was funny as fuck. Call Melvin Serrano, iPhone.
Calling Melvin Serrano, iPhone.
Yo. Oh shit. Yo. That probably the 2 coolest fucking cops I've encountered in a while, bro.
What the fuck happened?
Nah, so he stopped me for 2 things. Because I didn't stop when I made the right turn from Oak and 192.
Well, like that, the red light?
Yeah. And he's right. You know, you aren't supposed to stop there. And we're both kind of merged at the same time. And my tint.
Too dark?
Yeah. So it was him and I guess another guy that he's. Why is it saying I have a missed call from you?
From who? From me?
Yeah, it says phone Melvin Serrano.
I have no idea.
Oh, what the hell's going on? I got a voicemail from you. Oh, from something. That's from this morning.
That was earlier. That was earlier in the day. I don't know why the fuck my AirPod Pros wouldn't fucking hang up.
It just now popped up, so I got a voicemail from you and from Jamal. So yeah, it was another deputy. It was him and I guess the other dude in the Charger behind him. I guess dude is young as fuck. The other guy that was behind him. So you can pretty much tell that he's fucking training because he even showing him all, you know, he's even telling out. They said the Florida it's supposed to be this. So what you can have the person do is put the windows halfway up to tip measuring and whatnot. So bro, my back window's 3% and the front one is 5. So he told us straight, I was like, yeah, you know, the tints are too dark, right? You know, and you know, he asked me, you know, why are the tints too dark? And I was like, I'm gonna keep it real with you. It's hot as fuck in Florida, and I know I promise it. And he laughed, bro. And he's like, look, man, I'm not gonna be a dick. I'm not gonna cite you for it. You know, I'm gonna let you know what it's supposed to be and whatnot, and then you know, send you on your way. But bro, I got that whole thing on Dashcam. So you know what I'm gonna do when I get home, bro? I'm gonna download all that footage, bro, and that's gonna be a fucking YouTube episode right there. Because remember, it's gonna be just mostly audio. It's not gonna show their faces because you know they didn't come inside the car and he didn't stand in front of the camera, all but the back camera.
Yeah, no.
I got the back camera footage though.